So one of the best examples for this, I'm just thinking about my time in Houston, Texas, with LyondellBasell when I interned last fall. And so my background, as you know from my application, is material science and engineering. The people that I worked with at this company were mainly chemies, mechs, and electrical engineers. And so one of my projects that my manager gave me was to re-rate a pressure vessel. And when I first got this project, I had no clue about what it was. I didn't know what re-rating vessels were, barely knew anything about pressure vessels. And so I had to talk to a mechanical engineer. He kind of just taught me how heat exchangers work, some of the pumps, how to, a lot of the background behind the mechanical engineering of this project. From there, I had to talk to the chemical engineers about the catalyst, kind of what does hotspots mean. And from there, I was able to understand that basically a lot of these pressure vessels at really high temperatures, catalyst starts to clump up on the sides. And when they have high stress concentrations from heat, the catalyst can start breaking down the wall thickness and basically corrode the wall, and it's a big safety hazard. And so from there, I had to talk to more mechanical engineers about how to actually re-rate vessels. So, understanding how to use softwares, and this project took about a month, but it was a lot of give and take from me to different engineers of different backgrounds, and so it just showed me the importance of there are a lot of situations where you can't handle the problem on your own. You need different backgrounds, different expertises, and so just being open and having open communication with these people is probably the most important thing to succeed and finish your project.
For my ME 170 class freshman year, I was randomly assigned to a group that I would stay with all semester long to CAD a product that was already in the market, and we would redesign it on Creo Parametric to make it more efficient and useful. In the beginning, I knew I was the most inexperienced out of the group because they had talked about doing CAD before in high school and during the summer, but I had never had any experience with computer-aided design. And instead of letting that discourage me, I worked with them so that I would learn the material that they already knew, and I was pretty fortunate enough so that they would be willing to teach me everything that they knew that we never really learned in class. They just knew from past experiences. And with their help, I was able to put my ideas into reality, and we were able to make a functioning design that was pretty unique, and we were able to actually win an award for it. We were recognized by our professor, Leon Lindbergh, on our design. So that was a time when differences between my group members and I helped me grow into a better engineer and thinker in general.
Hello, I'm Mei Jun. So a time when I worked with a diverse group in an engineering problem was when I participated in the campus ringwork competition with my friends. During this competition, we were asked to redesign a parking lot on campus. this is an engineering problem, but we need a far more knowledge beyond the engineering field. For example, we cooperated with students specialized in plants because we needed the knowledge and what plants to use for a rain garden. Also, we worked with architecture students because they could generate wonderful posters and architectural models for our project. Lastly, we worked with students from economic field because they know how to quantify and estimate the amount of social and economic benefits that our project generated to the local society. At the end, our team got first place because of the wonderful expertise that people from interdisciplinary area brought to the table. Working with a diverse group helped us to look at the same problem from different perspectives. By merging our ideas together, we'll get to find out the optimal solution for any problem. Thank you.